morning, my dear brothers and sisters. In government, in civil, and even to us experiencing daily work, I know for a fact and for some time you were asked to be deployed. An action of you being, or us, being asked to go out. And when that time comes, deployment would mean we would need to make an appearance, we would need to make a report. It's also tantamount to saying that we need to fulfill a purpose and to fulfill something entrusted to us. Gaya nga po ng aking nasabi na tayo ay humarap, tayo ay may maibigay, tayo ay may mailahad upang magampanan ang ibinigay sa atin. But to all of us, followers of Jesus, life is not only a mere deployment, but it's deeper than being deployed. It's being sent forth. And when you are sent forth, yes, it is also fulfilling a mission. It is also making your presence to someone or to a group of people. But to be sent forth is indeed an action of being a tool for people to change their lives. An inspiring action to bring consolation, to bring the message of Christ to these people we are asked to send forth. And in our readings today, we've heard how Judas and Silas were sent to these Christian communities, how they were reminded that you won't be burdened by the word of God, but we are also asking you to kindly follow what is necessary, not to engage in unto unlawful marriage, from eating meat of strangled animals, from sacrificing to idols. Yun lang. And with that, these people were consoled with the exhortation. Not only to say that you have to follow this, but we saw the fruit of their being sent forth. Masaya silang nagkaroon o nakarinig sila ng magandang balita. And as we continue to listen from the Last Supper discourse between Jesus and his disciples, now we heard him, at least at the very first instance, telling his disciples that I appointed you to go and bear fruit that will remain. Not only a simple deployment, but sending forth so that we can grow. Others can also see their capacities. Others will be inspired to move in this life. It is not only for us, sisters and brothers, to be deployed, but it is also more than deployment. It is sending forth. Not only to do a mission, but to touch lives of people. You are sent not only because you are needed, you are sent because you are a gift. Maybe this day you will be sent to a group of people. Thus, don't only think you are deployed, but you are sent forth to bring the consolation of Jesus to them. Maybe this day someone would need your presence, and you are not only there to be deployed, but to send forth and bring with you a message of joy to them. Maybe today you will be asked that you go to another assignment, to another mission, wherever you are. But more than being deployed, think and remember you are sent forth so that you can go and bear fruit, so that you can be better, you can stand firm. For us following Jesus, it is not only going out and fulfilling something, it is being a gift. And when we go as a gift, we lead them to Jesus, we inspire others, we make people happy with our mission.